think video editing is something only pros can do. Not anymore. This AI just made video editors optional, and people are using it to pump out content faster than ever before. Here's how it works, and how you can use it to dominate YouTube or social media without editing a single frame. Meet Pictory, an AI video creation tool that turns text into full, polished videos in minutes. Whether it's a YouTube script, blog post, podcast, or article, you paste it in, and boom, AI finds the right visuals, background music, subtitles, and transitions. No timeline editing. No complicated software. This is video editing, 2025 style. How it works. Let's break it down in 4 simple steps. 1. Drop in your content, even an existing blog or article. 2. The AI scans your text and automatically selects visuals, video clips, and animations that match what's being said. 3. You can tweak visuals, change text, add branding, or keep it 100% automated. 4. Download your video, ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere. And it all takes less than 10 minutes from idea to published video. Who's using it? This isn't just for hobby creators. Entrepreneurs, YouTubers, coaches, marketers, even real estate agents are using Pictory to 1. Repurpose long-form content into short videos. 2. Turn blog posts into explainer videos. 3. Auto-generate video content for daily social posts. 4. Create faceless YouTube automation channels. 5. Close clients by showcasing fast content turnarounds. One person used Pictory plus ChatGPT to launch a cash-flowing YouTube channel in 7 days, without showing their face or recording a single clip. What it replaces. This AI replaces 1. Video editors charging $300 per video. 2. Expensive software like Adobe Premiere. It's not perfect for every type of video, but for fast, scalable content, it's a complete game changer. And the more content you push out, the more the algorithm favors you. This is why creators are scaling faster than ever. They're using tools like this. And we're just getting started. Tomorrow's video. I'll show you an AI that builds entire income-generating websites from scratch, and people are flipping them for $1,000 plus. You don't want to miss that. Subscribe and stay ahead of the curve.